Okay. Alright.
Alright, so what are you talking about?
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the cranial nerves and where they exit the skull. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cranial nerve 1, which is the olfactory. Cranial nerve 2, which is the optic. Cranial nerve 3, which is the ocular motor. Cranial nerve 4, which is the trochlear. Cranial nerve 1, which is the ophthalmic. Cranial nerve 2, which is the maxillary. Cranial nerve 3 is the mandibulary. Cranial nerve 6 is the abducens. Cranial nerve 7 is the facial. Cranial nerve 8 is the vestibulocochlear. Cranial nerve 9 is the glossopharyngeal. Cranial nerve 10, vagus. Cranial nerve 11, accessory. Cranial nerve 12, hypoglossal. Okay, so now the canals are as follows. The olfactory nerve exits the skull at the cribriform plate, which is located in the ethmoid bone. Cranial nerve 2, which is the optic nerve, exits the skull at the optic canal. Cranial nerve 3, which is the ocular motor, exits the skull at the superior orbital fissure. The same for the trochlear and the same for the first branch of the trigeminal nerve. The maxillary nerve exits the skull at the foramen rotundorum. The mandibulary nerve exits the skull at the foramen ovale. The abducens nerve exits the skull at the supraorbital fissure. The facial nerve exits the skull at the internal acoustic meatus. The same for the vagus nerve. The vestibulocochlear nerve. The glossopharyngeal exits the skull at the jugular foramen. The vagus exits the skull at the jugular foramen. The accessory exits the skull at the jugular foramen, and the hypoglossal nerve exits the skull at the hypoglossal canal.